This model was made to represent the induction coil, induction heating. So induction heating is a heated coil that goes round, something is put into it, and then it heats it up once it's turned on, and then that will go hot. So for soldering iron, the tip can be put in, it can be turned on, it'll heat the tip up, then soldering can be done. Once the temperature is gone and it's not melting solder anymore, you can put back in, heat it up again, and be used. This would be plugged into a power supply, and the soldering iron could be cordless because it doesn't need to be turned on with a power supply to where it just needs to be heated up, then can solder. It's a flat base, it's quite long, it'll easily hold the tip of a soldering iron with the handle without tipping over. The coil would wrap around the tip, heat up. There would be protection around here, around the induction heater, so it doesn't burn the user if they accidentally touch it. The bad things about this is that you'd have to heat up the tip of the soldering iron every 5 seconds you've used it, which may be difficult, and it might get tiring to keep putting it back in every time you want to solder something. It might be time consuming, but other than that, it's quite a good idea and may be used in my final design.